Finding the right flooring for your garage can make a big difference in durability and appearance. Polyvinyl chloride garage floor tiles offer a strong and stylish solution for protecting surfaces from wear and tear. In this video is on the top 5 best PVC garage floor tiles with various designs and interlocking options. They provide easy installation and long-lasting performance. Whether upgrading your workspace or enhancing a home garage, choosing the best option ensures reliability. In this video, explore 5 top-rated choices that combine strength, aesthetics, and practicality for any space. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. At number 1, we have WochiTV PVC floor tiles. This floor mat is designed to improve safety and cleanliness in various spaces. Made from polyvinyl chloride material, it provides durability and flexibility for long-term use. The surface features fine drainage holes that allow water to flow through, preventing water accumulation and reducing the risk of slipping. The structure maintains a firm grip, ensuring stability even on wet or oily surfaces. The rectangular design offers a practical solution for both indoor and outdoor areas. It can be placed in locations prone to moisture, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and poolside spaces. The material is resistant to wear and bending, making it suitable for high-traffic areas. The surface pattern enhances traction, improving stability while walking or standing. The S-shaped hollow design allows faster drainage, keeping floors dry and clean. It also helps regulate surface temperature, preventing feet from getting burned on hot ground during summer and keeping them warm in colder conditions. The ultraviolet resistance feature ensures durability by preventing fading and material degradation over time. This mat is designed to cover standing water areas, providing a clean and dry walking surface. The flexible nature of the material allows it to be trimmed to fit specific spaces. Whether for commercial kitchens, gardens, saunas, shopping malls, or industrial areas, it serves as a practical flooring option. The sturdy construction ensures reliability in different environments. The combination of drainage efficiency and slip resistance makes it a useful addition to spaces where safety and cleanliness are essential. At number 2, we have Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond. These interlocking garage flooring tiles provide a durable and practical solution for residential spaces. Made from high-impact copolymer, they are designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining a strong and stable surface. The structure ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for areas exposed to frequent vehicle movement and foot traffic. The diamond pattern enhances traction, reducing the chances of slipping while working. The non-slip surface provides added stability, making it a suitable flooring option for garages, workshops, and other utility spaces. The material resists stains, allowing easy cleaning of dirt, oil, and dust with a mop or vacuum. These modular tiles feature an interlocking design that simplifies installation. They securely snap together without requiring tools, adhesives, or additional assistance. The strong connection keeps the tiles firmly in place, ensuring a smooth and uniform surface. The flexibility of the design allows users to customize layouts based on personal preferences. The copolymer material is built to withstand the harsh environment of a garage. It is resistant to damage from moisture, chemicals, and temperature fluctuations. The sturdy construction supports rolling loads, making it suitable for heavy vehicles, tool storage, and workbenches. The modern graphite color complements various interior styles, adding a clean and professional look to any space. The ability to combine these tiles with other compatible flooring options allows for personalized layouts. Whether for home garages, storage areas, or workspaces, this flooring provides a reliable surface with a high level of durability. At number 3, we have Vevor Interlocking Black Tile. These interlocking drainage tiles provide a practical flooring solution for wet and high-traffic areas. Designed to allow efficient water flow, they help prevent surface water buildup, keeping the environment fresh and dry. The surface ensures a firm grip, reducing the chances of slipping in spaces exposed to moisture. Made from strong yet flexible material, these tiles maintain durability while offering a cushioned feel underfoot. The construction prevents warping, ensuring a stable surface over time. The interlocking design allows for quick and secure assembly, creating a seamless floor without the need for adhesives or specialized tools. The drainage holes are designed to channel water away efficiently, making them suitable for areas prone to moisture. Whether installed in restrooms, swimming pools, kitchens, or commercial spaces, they provide a reliable flooring option. The structure prevents debris buildup, making maintenance easy with a simple rinse. These tiles are designed for versatile use, fitting various environments where water resistance and slip protection are essential. The material resists common contaminants such as hair and oil, ensuring a hygienic surface. The interlocking system allows users to customize layouts based on their specific space requirements. The black color offers a modern and professional look, blending well with different surroundings. These tiles can be installed in both residential and commercial areas, enhancing safety and functionality. With a simple cleaning process and durable construction, they provide a long-lasting flooring solution for wet environments and heavy-use spaces. At number 4, we have Gradiator GAFP32CBZM Floor Pack. These modular interlocking garage floor tiles provide a durable and visually appealing surface for various spaces. Designed with a strong construction, they can withstand high pressure without cracking or chipping. The material ensures long-lasting use, even in extreme temperatures, making them suitable for both hot and cold environments. The interlocking system allows for quick installation without the need for adhesives. The tab and loop design securely connects each tile, creating a stable surface. This feature makes it easy to customize layouts based on individual preferences. The combination of black and silver colors adds a modern touch, enhancing the overall appearance of the space. These tiles are built to handle heavy loads, making them a reliable choice for garages, workshops, and storage areas. They are capable of supporting significant weight per square inch, ensuring strength and durability. The surface is resistant to many chemicals, preventing damage from spills and leaks. Cleaning these tiles is simple, as they can be rinsed with water to remove dirt and debris. This low-maintenance design helps keep the space looking clean with minimal effort. They also pair well with matching drainage tiles and trim pieces, allowing for a cohesive and professional flooring design. With a high pile height, these tiles offer a sturdy and comfortable surface for both residential and commercial settings. Their ability to endure heavy-duty use while maintaining an attractive appearance makes them a practical solution for those seeking a durable and easy-to-maintain garage floor covering. At number 5, we have MODUTILE Garage Flooring Interlocking Tiles. These interlocking garage floor tiles offer a practical and visually appealing solution for various flooring needs. The diamond solid top surface provides durability and strength, while the grid underneath allows air and water to flow freely. This feature helps prevent moisture buildup, making the tiles suitable for both dry and damp environments. Made from high-impact polypropylene, these tiles are lightweight yet strong enough to support the weight of large vehicles, including SUVs and pickup trucks. Their rigid construction ensures stability, making them a reliable choice for residential garages, basements, and trade show floors. Unlike rubber or flexible polyvinyl chloride flooring, these tiles feature a unique grid design underneath, which enhances ventilation and prevents trapped moisture. The installation process is straightforward, as the tiles use a loop-to-peg interlocking system that does not require adhesives or specialized tools. This design allows for a floating floor setup, which makes it easy to assemble and disassemble as needed. When installing the tiles, leaving a small gap around permanent structures ensures proper expansion and prevents shifting over time. These tiles are available in various colors, allowing for customized patterns and designs to match different spaces. The non-slip diamond pattern on the surface enhances traction, reducing the risk of slipping. Additionally, they are resistant to ultraviolet exposure, preventing fading or damage from prolonged sunlight exposure. With their ability to handle high rollover weight, these tiles provide long-term durability for different environments. Their combination of strength, lightweight material, and simple installation makes them a practical flooring choice for those seeking a strong and easy-to-maintain surface. We believe that you like our best product. A request to you, a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which product you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.